Hi mga vloggers natin dyan. Good morning. This is yours truly, Ernoy. I have a driver, my nephew Josh, Pogi, and I have my bodyguard at the back, si Noy Romel. Punta kami ngayon. We're going to Auckland. Yan. Malapit na ho kami.
Malayo pa.
Malayo pa. Okay, we're enjoying the trip. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. We're going to mall o kung saan-saan. Wala daw baka ron sa Auckland kasi city yun. So, guys, yan na lang. Where are we going? Para lang siya nasa BGC, no? Brad, hi. Mga kapatid, we're going to a cinema. This is how they yung food court nila. Yan, food court. And this is the zone. They have time zone here. Oh, they have wow. Good. Ganda. Nak, ito yung mga Nak, Chloe, Kalel, Noy, yung mga time zone, laruan nila rito. Yeah. We go to a library. Ito si brother Noy ko. Noy, picture mo na isa, Noy. 1, 2, 3. Noy, harap ka dito, Noy. Pinas, ito na po kami. I-enjoy na namin. Parang feeling namin parang nasa ano na kami tao center. No? BGC. Parang Glorieta. Sabi niya. Pakita mo yung view. We're in Auckland. Botany Mall. Is in the house. We're here sa Auckland. Yan, Salvation Army. Let's go with it.